Divyashri Boda here to explain the part 2 of the fundamental unit of life. So let's begin. So today's topic is basic components of cell. First, cell membrane, second, cytoplasm, and third, nucleus. And in addition to this, some cells are also having one more membrane exterior to the cell membrane known as cell wall. Example, plant cells. Plant cells are having cell wall. So here we go. The first is cell membrane. A cell gets separated from the external environment because it has plasma membrane. Now here, what is plasma membrane? Actually the plasma membrane and cell membrane are same. You can say it plasma membrane or cell membrane. The plasma membrane or the cell membrane has the capability to decide which materials should enter or leave the cell and which should not. That is why it is also called as a selectively permeable membrane. Now the fluid mosaic of plasma membrane. According to it, the plasma membrane comprises of three components: lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates, which can flow freely and fluidly inside the plasma membrane. There are two types of lipids or fats in the plasma membrane: phospholipid and cholesterol. Phospholipid. It is a lipid made up of glycerol, two fatty acids, and phosphate. It creates a semi-permeable membrane which allows flow of only certain materials inside or outside the cell. Now second, cholesterol. It is a lipid which provides fluidity to the surface of plasma membrane. The proteins act as receptors of the cell and help in transportation across the cell membrane. The carbohydrates attach themselves with the lipids and proteins and are found on the extracellular side of the membrane. Now cell membrane diagram. It is like this. Here is cholesterol. It is a lipid with carbohydrate attached, and here proteins with carbohydrate attached, and this is the phospholipid bilayer. Now the endocytosis. The flexibility of cell membrane also enables the cell to engulf in food and other materials from its external environment. Such processes are known as endocytosis. Amoeba requires its food through such processes. Functions of cell membrane. First, it provides support to cell. It is helpful in exchange of materials. It gives shape to the cell. Now cytoplasm second. It is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and nucleus. All other components of cell or organelles are present in the cytoplasm like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, etc. Now functions of cytoplasm. First, it supports and suspends the cell organelles and molecules. The cellular processes occur in cytoplasm such as formation of proteins. It allows movement of substances in cell such as hormones. It dissolves cellular wastes. Now protoplasm. Everything that is present in the cell except the cell membrane comes under protoplasm. Protoplasm is living material, or the entire content of living cells including cytoplasm and nucleus is known as protoplasm. The diagram of the cell. It is an animal cell. As you can see, no cell wall is present here. Here is mitochondria. It is Golgi apparatus, which is some umbrella shaped, and nucleus, which is present inside the nucleus. This full is nucleus, and the centrioles, microtubules, cytoplasm, which is jelly-like substance, the small circles, which are ribosomes, and the cell membrane or plasma membrane, which is the outer membrane of the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which are not having ribosomes. This one, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are having ribosomes on its surface. and these lysosomes, which are also called suicidal bags. Now if you want to see the nucleus in deep, here it is. Nucleus consists of nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and nuclear material and nuclear pore. It is the outer membrane of the nucleus and it is inner membrane and it is nucleolus, which is called the brain of the nucleus. Nucleoplasm is the jelly-like material present inside the nucleus. This one. And the nucleolus, it is called the brain of the nucleus. It is the small oval body which is rich in protein and RNA, ribonucleic acid. Ribosome formation occurs in nucleolus. Ribosome is an organelle which is present in cell and directly or indirectly helpful in survival of cell. And the genetic material chromatin. Chromatin is thread-like material present in a cell. The chromatin organizes itself into chromosomes whenever the cell is about to divide. There are chromosomes, rod-shaped structures present in the nucleus which contain genetic information. Here the genetic material or the chromatin is present. So here ends my part 2. Thank you for watching.